Microsoft Team Calls also allows you the ability to update your ringtones. So from the Calls app, in the top, in the three-dot menu, click on that and select Settings. From there, at the bottom, select Calls. And in the middle, you will see Ringtones. Now, the default ringtone is the default for everything. But when you have forwarded calls, you can manage these, or delegated calls. And if you don't like how those sound, or you want something different, you can select whatever you'd like that they have available. And that way you can differentiate between the calls that are for you, that are forwarded, or that are delegated.